Delhi Disaster Management Authority meeting has been stopped midway amidst Arvind Kejriwal's protest as he strongly opposed the policy of 5 days compulsory quarantine center. In the quarantine center, the meeting will resume at 5 in the evening. At the meeting, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal strongly opposed the order. According to sources, he argued that when ICMR allows home isolation to corona patients with no symptoms and mild symptoms across the country, why different rules are being made in Delhi? There is already a shortage of medical staff. Now, where will we get the doctors and nurses at the quarantine center for thousands of patients?
10,000 लोगों को अगर लेकर जाएंगे आज ही 6,000 बेड्स पे कहां लेके जाएंगे और रोजाना करीब 3,000 के करीब पेशेंट्स आ रहे हैं। लेकिन अगर होम आइसोलेशन खत्म कर दिया गया और सबके सब लोगों को क्वारंटीन सेंटर या हॉस्पिटलाइज किया गया तो उसके बाद जो बेड्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी वो 30 जून को ही 1 लाख बेड्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी। कहां से आएंगे बेड्स? इतना सारा मेडिकल स्टाफ कहां से आएगा? जब सारी दुनिया में आइसोलेशन होम आइसोलेशन से लोग ठीक हो रहे हैं, भारत में आईसीएमआर की गाइडलाइंस हैं पूरे देश के लिए। अगर आपको कोई बीमारी नहीं है, अगर आपको कोई सिम्टम्स नहीं है, तो आप होम आइसोलेशन में रह के अपना कोरोना को ठीक कर सकते हैं। आप अपने घर में रहिए। तो वैसे में लोगों को जबरदस्ती उठा के क्वारंटीन सेंटर भेजने की क्या जरूरत है?
For more on this, let's go across to NDTV's Akshay Dongre. Akshay, though the meeting will resume at 5 in the evening, but it seems the Delhi government was very vociferous about their issues with this home quarantine, mandatory quarantine in the quarantine center.
Well, yes, Anjali, we have seen that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was vehemently opposing this order by Anil Baijal, the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, in which he said that all the patients, all the people who are tested positive for COVID-19 will have to go for a mandatory institutional quarantine in the quarantine centers for at least 5 days, after which if the symptoms subside, then only they will be allowed to go for home isolation. But the Delhi government has been sticking to one point that according to Dr. Mahesh Verma committee report, Delhi would have needed 15,000 beds under the earlier circumstances by the end of June, and several other thousands of other beds by the end of July. According to the estimates, 15,000 beds would have been required by the end of June, but now since the rules have changed, the Delhi government is saying that we will be requiring 1 lakh beds by the end of June, and that is within in less than 10 days now. So how will Delhi government arrange all of these beds? And even though quarantine centers are available, and even if we say that okay, beds will be arranged, then where will we get the staff? Where will we get the doctors and nurses from? So that has become very sticking issue as far as this particular meeting was concerned. We saw that Delhi Chief Minister raised several issues, including when the ICMR has already said that people with very mild symptoms or no symptoms can be allowed for home isolation by the changes in rules for Delhi. And also he earlier mentioned that home isolation program of the Delhi government has been one of the most successful, and several patients have recovered at the comfort of their homes. So why forcibly sending people to institutional quarantine? So these were certain points, and he also raised the point of railway coaches being provided as COVID care facilities, stating that there is the temperature is soaring every day. There is scorching heat in the national capital, and in these circumstances, these coaches that are non-AC coaches turn into very hot oven sort of a place. And how will a patient survive inside these railway coaches? So clear indication from Delhi Chief Minister was that national capital is not ready for so many people to be sent to institutional quarantine. Not adequate facilities are available in Delhi, because also earlier committee report which was passed by Dr. Mahesh Verma said that by the end of July, 5.5 lakh COVID cases would have been registered in the national capital. So definitely one point that is to be raised is that from where all of these facilities will come from under these changed circumstances.